If we run the show IP OSPF command, we get a great deal of information. Now, they're piping and saying begin area 0 or begin area. And by the way, this is case sensitive, so if they had just done lowercase a, they would have not gotten the same output. What we're talking about here is the fact that we can see how frequently the shortest path first algorithm has changed. And the reason why we might do this is to observe our network and ensure stability of the network. The more frequent that this changes, the more impactful the routing process is to the router. So let's say I do a show IP OSPF, and I want to look at the frequency of my information. Now you can see there's a lot of information here. I'm going to space down. This is showing us that the shortest path first algorithm triggers on an area basis. We use it to get around our own area or an area that we are attached to. So the algorithm executed 7 times, no big deal. You might also do something like show process, and then CPU. And then you might look for OSPF. Now, in this case, I am going to try to pipe this. So you can see OSPF process 1 is not using a whole lot of CPU cycles. And you can see the first column is 5 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes. So if you see something like, well, a measurable number that's beyond 2 or 3 or 4%, and even that's pretty high on today's equipment, you would want to do some research, because then OSPF is really taking too many CPU cycles. Sure, OSPF is important, but if it's speaking that much, there's something more significant and serious going on.